Starting with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the master of the day of judgment, and a bundle of the Salam on beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear students, mathematics exercise 4B for New Candy Mathematics book 2 class 7 of SAC students, and exercise 11B for new syllabus mathematics D1 for A level O level students. And question number 1 is find the value of the unknowns in each of the following rectangles. So students, in question number 1 there are two parts and both the parts are rectangular shape, and students, rectangle is a quadrilateral in which opposite sides are equal and parallel, whereas all angles are right angle. I mean to say A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral in which DC is parallel to AB as well as DC is congruent to AB, and BC is parallel to AD and DC is congruent to AD. As well as students, the diagonal of rectangle bisect each other. So students, ABCD is the rectangle in which AC is the diagonal. If we join the opposite corner of rectangle, then this line is called rectangle. And students, the name of this angle is given A degree, whereas this angle is angle B, and this angle is, students, is given, it is 54 degree. As in characteristics of rectangle, I have explained earlier that rectangle is a quadrilateral in which opposite sides are congruent as well as parallel, and all angles are right angle. I mean to say angle DCB is right angle, and this right angle is divided into two parts, A and 54, and if we sum up these two angles, students, the sum of angle A and 54 is right angle because angle DCB is right angle. And students, angle A and angle B, these two angles are alternate angles. Alternate angles are the angles that are the interior angles of parallel line and opposite angles of transversal line. AC is the transversal line of line DC and AB, whereas DC and AB both are parallel. So students, angle A is equal to angle B, and these two angles are called alternate angles, whereas the sum of angle A and angle 54 is 90 degree because all angles are right angle in a rectangle. So students, first we will write that angle DCB is equal to 90 degree, and the reason is all angles of rectangle is equal to 90 degree. So students, angle DCB will be right angle, and angle DCB is divided into two parts, that is A and 54. So A degree plus 54 degree is equal to 90 degree, and 54, student, is plus on left side. When we transfer it to the side, it will become minus, and the value of A will be 90 degree minus 54 degree. And when we subtract 54 from 90, students, we will have 10 minus 4 means 6 and 8 minus 5 means 3, so it is 36 degree. So the value of A will be 36 because degree will be cancelled with degree. And students, angle A and angle B, angle A is congruent to angle B, and reason is alternate angles. So students, the value of angle A is 36 degree is equal to B degree, and degree will be cancelled with degree, and the value of B will be 36. So students, it is the A part of question number 1, and now I am going to solve B part of the same question. And the B part of the same question is, again there is a rectangle ABCD, and students, I have earlier told you that what a rectangle is. Rectangle is a quadrilateral in which opposite sides are congruent as well as parallel. So DC is parallel to AB as well as DC is congruent to AB, and BC is parallel to AD as well as BC is congruent to AD, and all angles are right angles. Students, the difference between rectangle and parallelogram is only all angles of rectangle are right angle, whereas in parallelogram no angle is right angle. So it is the difference between rectangle and parallelogram. So students, E is the point on AB, and D and C is joined with E in this way. And students, the angles are, this angle is of 39 degree, this angle is C degree, and it is 78 degree, and this angle is D degree, and we have to find the value of C and D. Now students, I have earlier explained that all angles of quadrilateral or angles of rectangle are right angle. So angle DCB is equal to 90 degree, and reason is angle of rectangle, and angle of rectangle are 90 degree, and angle DCB is divided into two angles, and we can name this angle as angle X. So students, if we sum up angle X and 39 degree, it will be equal to 90 degree. So X plus 39 degree is equal to 90 degree, because the sum of these two angles is 90 degree. 39 is plus on left side. When we transfer it to the side, it will become minus. So the value of X will be 90 degree minus 39 degree. We will subtract 39 from 90 degree, and we will take 1 carry from 9, and it will become 10. 10 minus 9 mean 1, and here is 8. 8 minus 3 mean 5. So the value of X is 51 degree. Now students, these two lines are parallel line, and EC is transversal line. So angle X and angle C both are alternate angles, and the value of angle X is 51. So angle C will also be 51 degrees. So here I will write C degree is equal to, or you can say that angle C is equal to angle X, and the reason is both are alternate angles, and I have explained that what the alternate angles are. Alternate angles are the angles that are the interior angle of parallel line and on the opposite side of transversal line, and CE is the transversal line. So students, C degree, angle C is C degree, and the value of X is 51 degree. So degree will be cancelled with degree, and the value of CE is 51. Now students, for finding out the value of angle D, we will discuss triangle DCE, and it is written as, in triangle DCE, sum of angles in a triangle, sum of angles in triangle is equal to 180 degree, and students, it will be D degree plus 78 degree plus X is equal to 180 degree, and the value of X is 51 degrees. So in place of X I will write 51 because both are equal. So students, D degree plus 78 degree plus 51 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now we will sum up these two angles. D degree plus 8 plus 1 mean 9 and 7 plus 5 mean 12, so it will be 129 degree is equal to 180 degree, and D degree is equal to 180 degree minus 129 degree. 9 will be subtracted from 10 and here will be 1. 2 will be subtracted from 7 and it will become 2 subtracted from 7 and 51 degree. And students, degree will be cancelled with degree and the value of D is 51. So students, the value of C is 51 degree as well as the value of angle D is 51 degree. So students, it's enough for today. May Allah Almighty bless you all the time and have a good day.